Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Desintalia Aquila. You can call me Desinta from class 2025G. Today, I will present PPT matrix with title Effectuation in Digital Multi-Site Platform Startup, an Entrepreneurial Journal through Open Innovations Process. 1. Introduction. In point 1, rationale. Digital Multi-Site Platform or MSPs in Indonesia have shown rapid growth despite being established mostly by young entrepreneurs with limited business experience. Unlike established corporations, these startups face resource constraints and lack formal CO creation capacity, yet they still manage to create innovative business models through open innovation. Effectuation theory becomes highly relevant in this context as it allows entrepreneurs to leverage available means, engage in affordable experimentation, and form partnerships to turn uncertainty into opportunities. Studying this phenomenon is important to understand how MSP startups in emerging economies strengthen innovation, performance, and contribute to the digital economy. 2. Research question. 1. How do MSP startups in Indonesia apply effectuation within their open innovation process? 2. To what extent does effectuation influence the development of integrative capabilities, community management, and CO creation capacity in MSP startup? 3. How do these factors ultimately affect the innovation performance of MSP startup in Indonesia? Methodology participant. The participants were founders and executives of internet-based digital MSP startups across major Indonesian cities. Most were young entrepreneurs operating companies less than 10 years old, reflecting limited prior experience and CO creating ability. Methodological approach used. The study used a quantitative and exploratory approach applying partial least squares structural equation modeling or PLS SEM to analyze relationship between effectuation, integrative capabilities, community management, CO creation, capacity, and innovation performance. Research instrument. 1. Online questionnaires or distribute to startup founders and executives with 1,051 response and 17 valid. 2. Semi-structured interview and 3 participation and insight into their innovation practice. 2. Semi-structured interview or 31 participants to gain deeper qualitative insight into their innovation practices. Result. Discussion. Discussion highlight the link between effectuation and the open innovation process, particularly when CO creation capacity is essential for achieving high innovation performance. In platform-based business model, this relationship is shaped by integrative capabilities and community management practices, which foster CO creation scale in digital MSP startup. This scale indirectly exchange innovation performance through open innovation, rather than relying on prediction and long-term planning. MSP startups focus on leveraging available resources within their ecosystem to create opportunities and solve problems. For example, C2C platforms like Bukalapak and Tokopedia employ upon open innovation by building infrastructures that enable SMEs to create online stores and integrate external content. Conclusion. 1. Implication. The study implies that effectuation plays a crucial role in enabling MSP startups to pursue open innovation even with limited resources. By fostering integrative capabilities and community management, startups can enhance CO creation and indirectly improve innovation performance. These insights provide practical guidance for entrepreneurs and policymakers in supporting digital ecosystem in emerging economies. 2. Limitation. The research is limited by the relatively small sample size and focus only on Indonesian MSP startup. This restricts generality across different funding stage, industry types, and international cooperation. Future research should expand sample size and include cross-country studies for broader comparisons. It is recommended to explore corporate entrepreneurship and knowledge management aspects within platform-based innovation. Further, integrating offline innovation process and testing external variables alongside effectuation will provide a more comprehensive understanding of digital entrepreneurship. That's all our presentation. Thank you for attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To limitation. The research is limited by the relatively small sample size and focus only on Indonesian MSP startup. This restricts generality across different funding stage, industry types, and international comparisons. Future research should expand sample size and include cross-country studies for broader comparisons. It is recommended to explore corporate entrepreneurship and knowledge management aspects within platform-based innovation. Further, integrating offline innovation process and testing external variables alongside effectuation will provide a more comprehensive understanding of digital entrepreneurship. That's all our presentation. Thank you for attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.